Yo devs, if you're building web apps in 2025 and still using bulky frameworks, you're probably giving your users more loading spinners than actual content. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into 5 featherweight frameworks that'll make your apps fly. Today's web is fast, reactive, and mobile first. Your front-end stack should be too. That's why these modern frameworks aren't just smaller, they're smarter. Whether you're building SPAs, static sites, or interactive dashboards, one of these will upgrade your game. First up, Svelte, a framework that doesn't even call itself a framework. Why? Because it compiles your code at build time into clean, efficient JavaScript. No virtual DOM, no runtime overhead. That means smaller bundles and snappier performance right out of the box. Ideal for apps where time to interactive matters, like dashboards, widgets, or anything mobile heavy. You write components like this, let count equal 0, and boom, Svelte handles reactivity, state, and DOM updates natively. Next, Qwik. It's not just fast, it's instant. This framework is built around a new concept, resumability. Instead of downloading JS and initializing everything on load, Qwik lets your app resume from where the server left off. This means faster perceived performance. And for apps where SEO is critical, like blogs, e-commerce, and marketing sites, this is gold. Plus, Qwik breaks your app into fine-grained chunks. It only downloads and executes the JS when you need it. Say goodbye to huge hydration costs. Number 3, Preact. If you love React's ecosystem but hate shipping a 30 KB library for a simple counter, this one's for you. Preact replicates most of the React API, useState, useEffect, JSX in just 4 KB. It's super portable and can even drop into an existing React codebase using the Preact-compat alias. For teams building PWAs or mobile-first web apps where bandwidth and speed are top priority, Preact delivers a familiar developer experience with serious performance gains. Want to ditch the virtual DOM altogether? Meet Solid.js. It offers fine-grained reactivity that updates only what changes. No diffing, no overhead. Built with simplicity and speed in mind, Solid is great for dynamic dashboards, real-time data, and complex UI interactions. Its syntax is JSX-based, so React devs feel right at home. And the size? Just around 6 KB. It's one of the fastest rendering libraries out there, outperforming even Svelte in some benchmarks. Last but not least, Alpine.js. Think of it as the tailwind of JavaScript, minimal, declarative, and built for static-first sites. You write JS behavior right in your HTML. No build tool, no frameworks. Perfect for toggles, tabs, modals, and small interactive pieces. If you're building marketing pages, documentation, or Jamstack blogs, Alpine gives you power without complexity. Just add a CDN script and start creating. Let's recap. These 5 frameworks are redefining what lightweight means. Svelte, compile time reactivity with no runtime baggage. Qwik, resumable apps that feel instant. Preact, React but smaller and snappier. Solid.js, high-performance rendering with fine-grained control. Alpine.js, sprinkle interactivity with zero build setup. In 2025, it's not just about what works, it's about what works fast. Select tools that keep your users satisfied and your bundle streamlined. Which of these frameworks have you used or plan to try in your next project? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more dev tools, AI tricks, and front-end breakdowns, hit like, subscribe, and turn on that bell. Catch you in the next one.